Hi everyone, I'm so excited today to show you how to do the before and after effect in Final Cut Pro. You know, the swipe things that shows your color grading before and after. I've seen many tutorials how to do it and it's like complicated, much steps. This one is the easiest could be to show you how to do it. So let's jump into it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna drop this small clip here. Let's see, it's about 21 seconds. That's too much guys. I'm gonna do like 10 seconds for you guys so you don't get annoyed with a long clip. So let's see, I get 10 seconds clip here, and what I'm gonna do first is to start to color grade your footage. You know, by the color wheel, or you start to do the color grade, but in this case I'm gonna drop a lot here so you guys it goes easy here. I'm gonna choose Luxury Gray and Blue by Faruqi. I created this lot. It's actually really nice. Boost the blue and create this nice contrast like you see here, before and after effect. I'm gonna take it down a little bit here to 70%. That would be nice and great. The second thing you want to do guys is to cut your clip in half. So I'm gonna do 5 seconds here and I'm gonna cut it, Command B, and what you have to do is the first portion of the clip, what you have to do is take away the effect or the lot that you applied. So then you have 5-second clip without any adjustment, any color grading, and the second clip is with your adjustment. And then the next thing you have to do is to search for transition called wipe, and you put it between your two clips. Now what we have is to configure it. I can show you how it looks for now. I'm gonna take this range like long as so. I'm gonna play it so you guys see how the transition applied, as you see. But we're gonna configure this so it looks nice and beautiful, not just transparent thing that is going on. What you have to do is to click here. I'm gonna choose from right to left. It started from right to left, that should be right, and then edge treatment here. I'm gonna choose a border, small border by 0.25, make work, and change from feather to solid color. And I'm gonna keep it to black. So let's play this and see how it looks. And there you go guys. Smooth and easy. The thing that you should do is to try to match the frame per second in your clip by the transition that is going on. That we're gonna look. That's gonna make it look smooth. As you see the waves here, it goes a little bit faster than transition. Let's see here. Transition is a little bit like slow, I would say. So I'm gonna adjust it here, make it smaller, so at least it's gonna match the speed of the wave. And now it looks great. If you like to do, let's put this here, if you like to do well, say a bigger border, as you see here, you could always, I'm gonna do 0.5, that works too. But if you choose something like 15, like default, this is so big. This is not before and after effect. So I'm gonna keep it to 0.25 here. That could work good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you around.